Hello glam fam, welcome back to MBG. Do you want to know how I transition from this red lip to this nude type of lip? Then stay with me. Using the Supro lipstick in Aisha, it's a red burgundy pigment. I'm just overlining my cupid area to bring it forward or to bring it out more. Just my cupid area, guys. I'm not overlining my entire lip because my aim is not to make my lips big. I already have cute lips already, so I'm just overlining my cupid area, and then the rest of the lip I'm lining it with the normal just accentuating the normal line of the lip. And can you see how accentuating the cupid area very well? Even more, I'm just accentuating the cupid area even more, and then filling it up. I'm filling it up, and there you go with the final look on the lip. Yes, so let's see how I transition to the other nude lip. I actually cleaned it off camera, but I didn't clean it all, and I'm supposed to clean it all so that that reddish on that one will be there. But I'm lining with a brown liner here, going in with this So Trim in Super lipstick in So Trim, and just going in with it and smacking everything together. That's what I'm doing. I think I applied way too much here. That's why the outcome looks so heavy. I didn't want the outcome, but what can I do? It's done already. I can't change it. I was even thinking of leaving it like this, but I had to go in with So Naughty lip gloss to just finish it up and let it come out more plummy and the like. So that is it. That is the final look, guys. I hope you loved this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, make sure to like this video, send in your nice comment, and share this video to your loved ones. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.